Hey, this is Christian from the High Level Content Army, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to configure your own mobile app, as well as why you should use one. So the first thing we need to talk about is why should clients download this app in the first place? So the reason why you should make your clients download either your customized brand, lead connector, or high level app is because this is the first action that correlates with low churn and retention rate with either SaaS users or white label users. So this is the importance. You should make your clients download one of these so they stay longer. So the importance of having either your customized brand or your white label mobile app, it's consistent branding, enhanced engagement, and also more brand awareness. So you can differentiate yourself from different agencies when you have your own white label app. Now, if you want your own white label mobile app, you would get that here. There is an option here to customize your app. You can choose the app icon, login screen, splash screen, and then other customizations as well. So you can see here, it gives the option to edit the complete branding, the core colors, primary color, secondary, tertiary, error color. You can choose your color palette here, fonts. You can check the font of your choice, modules. You can see which modules you want to use, and you can toggle on and off as well. And then the bottom navigation, you can drag and drop the modules here, as well as the left drawer. So you can see the mobile preview as well here to the right. And this white label app builder, if you actually want to do it, it costs $14.91 per quarter. So this includes your white label app plus a SAP. It's available for both iOS and Android, has custom colors, custom logos, reorder menu item, free updates, your own brand, priority white label app support, all CRM modules, as well as invoices. Now, besides the white label app, let's go back to the other options. So for any of these options, this one is paid. As I show you, this is your customized brand, the white label, and then the lead connector, as well as the high level app. These ones are free, are included in Go High Level. Now, if you use any of these ones, this one is paid. As I said, this one's free. These two ones are free. You can share the download link to your clients. So you would toggle on, just show download link to my clients. So what this is going to do is that your sub accounts, your clients are going to have the option to now see these and download the app from that link. It's going to show the iOS and Android links of the app that you selected. So the reason why you want to have these is because you can encourage your users, your actual clients, to actually download your app if you decide to use it. And that link would appear as a custom menu. So it would appear here in the left bar for all the sub-account users. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.